Go ahead, he said. You deserve it, he said. It's just one ice cream. Mr. Softy parked downstairs. I got a banana split. And I told my husband when I saw how much, I said, oh no, you've got to help me. Try not to feel guilty. Just have to work a little harder to work that off. Hello and welcome. I'm going to do an eyeshadow look for you guys today. I already applied my Nicka K eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to start by using this Clean Color Bombshell palette and Showstopper. I haven't used it in a while. So I have my primer on. I'm going to take this small brush. And I'm going to pick up that orange right next to that yellow. This one right here. Yeah. I'll apply that in the crease. I have a mirror right here. And I'm just gonna apply that to the crease. Tapped up too much. Okay, now that we have that, take the Physicians Formula Quad and Canyon Classics. And I'm going to be taking that brown right there, the crease. Right in the innermost part of the crease. Just to create some dimension. Now I'm going to take this Nicka K Mocha Mix palette. The name of this one is Mocha Mix, and it's got a gorgeous color story right there. Look at that. And I don't know what I'm going to take from here first. Okay. I'm going to take that really dark brown right there, and I'm gonna place that in my outer V and a bit in the crease also. See, that's dimension. So far, just been placing. Gonna be blending a little bit. And on the lid, I'm gonna take that shadow right there. It's the first time I use this palette. Oh, that's really pretty. Hold on. I'm loving that. Yes. Now on the other eye. The other eyelid right here. Okay, so far we have that. I'm going to be blending a little bit, but right now I'm going to pick up that eyeshadow again, that dark brown. This detailed brush. Take that in the outer V. So how you guys all doing? I'm okay. Thank God I'm okay. I've been better, but I'm okay. God is good. Okay. Now, oh, I almost forgot. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna grab that eyeshadow right there and put on my brow bones. Blend that orange and that brown on the edge. Out like that. Then we have that. I'll take this blending brush and blend that out. Soften all that up. Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to take this eye marker by LA Colors, slim felt tip, smudge proof, and some black. I have a brown one, same one, I just don't know where it is right now. That's what that looks like. Got this at the Dollar Tree, actually. Yeah, I wanted the brown one, but I don't want to keep searching. Line that upper lash line. This is better for me. Okay. Nice. Alright. Right now all I'm going to do is put on my earrings. Yeah, mascara. The Wet n Wild Mega Wear in black, Dollar Tree also. And these are, oh, this is a drugstore product, but they sell this one a lot over at Dollar Tree. I like it. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the lips. I think the lips I'm going to keep it really simple because I'm not going anywhere. Just wanted to look. I'm going to grab one of these Nicka K lip shines. Okay, I grabbed this Nicka K lip shine in Matrix. It's in Matrix. And I'm going to line my lips with this Nicka K lip pencil in dark purple. That's dark purple. I'll keep my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. I have some lip balm on. I'm going to just wipe that off a little, because then my lip liner will be slipping and sliding all over the place. So this is Dark Purple by Nicka K. You can find these in local beauty supply stores. They also have them in retractable. I have them also. Just grab this one. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to take the Nicka K Lip Shine Matrix. Narrow down. And that's the applicator, and that's the color. There you have it. So this is it. That's the look. Using the Mocha Mix by Nicka K. First time I use this palette. Time. And the Clean Color Bombshell and Showstopper. I use the orange next to that yellow. Physicians Formula and Canyon Classics. I use those two right there. Yeah, the Nicka K lip liner is by Nicka K, and it's in dark purple. And Matrix, Nicka K lip shine. And I put together this little look. Hope you like it, and I do. I like it. It's nice. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with me. If there's anything you'd like to see, any topics or anything, in the comment section down below. And yeah, till next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.